In German, we use a placeholder when speaking about a non-specified person that is called jemand. Jemand is the equivalent of somebody and anybody. Nobody or not anybody is called niemand in German. This is our situation. An unknown person has called. Eine unbekannte Person hat angerufen. We say, jemand hat angerufen. Or we can ask, hat jemand angerufen? And also, hat niemand angerufen? Jemand and niemand are getting declined when they're the object in a sentence. The declension is the same as for the masculine articles. Jemanden and niemanden in the Akkusativ. Ich sehe eine Person. So eine Person is the accusative object. Ich sehe jemanden. I see somebody. Ich sehe keine Person. Ich sehe niemanden. And this, here in brackets, is the common abbreviation for the word jemanden, with an N in the end. So this determines that it's an accusative object. In the dative, we say jemandem and niemandem. For example, hat jemandem geholfen. He helped somebody. Or hat niemandem geholfen. The abbreviation is the same, but with an M in the end. Objects can be people or things, so we need a placeholder for the latter too. It is etwas, something or anything, or if it is nothing or not anything, nichts. Sagte etwas, sagte nichts. He said something, he said nothing. Ich kaufe etwas im Supermarkt. Fürchtet sich vor nichts. You can see here that etwas and nichts don't change, no matter what case they are in. In the first two sentences, sagte etwas, sagte nichts, it's the accusative object. Ich kaufe etwas im Supermarkt is also the accusative object, but fürchtet sich vor nichts is a dative. And there is no change to those two words. And that means referring to something instead of someone when speaking about verbs that use prepositions, we cannot tell what case the object is supposed to be in. This is a dictionary entry for sich fürchten vor. You can see that the reflexive pronoun is given in the third person, sich. Sich can be accusative or dative, so this little ak here is quite useful. And then it says vor jemandem etwas, which means you can use it with a person or a thing, and because the person placeholder has an M, the object has to be in the dative. Vor jemandem or etwas is in brackets because it is not an obligatory part of the verb. You can use the verb by itself and, for example, say, ich fürchte mich, which simply means I'm afraid. The last two words refer to the verb in the Präteritum and to its Partizip 2, the past participle. Here are some more frequently used verbs that carry a two-way preposition. Sich erinnern an, to remember. Sich freuen auf, to look forward to. Sich freuen über, to be happy about. Warten auf, to wait for. And here are some examples with these same verbs. Lena erinnert sich gern an ihre Kindheit. Lena likes remembering her childhood. Freut ihr euch auf euren Urlaub? Are you looking forward to your vacation? Simon hat sich sehr über das Geschenk gefreut. Simon was very happy about the present. Ich warte bereits seit 2 Stunden auf dich. I've been waiting for you for 2 hours already.